part out. Let me see, show you guys the back and see. The tail lights, all of that. I've removed the muffler. The exhaust is sold. The whole exhaust. Trunk wing that's on the top. So right now I'm just taking off the cover. For the end. Alright. The mirrors are sold also. Still working on taking the side trims out for a customer. The door panels, all the door panels are for sale. I just left the driver's side one so I can unlock and lock the doors and stuff like that. The seats are for sale. It's just this one seat that's damaged. The passenger side seat, the rear seats, everything is out. The whole dash. Still got the navigation screen, the radio, the center console, everything is still here. This is the cup holder. The slider is broken, but it does have the one with the nice wood trim. Okay, then we also still have the carbon fiber steering wheel. Okay, this is still for sale. Also, the tail lights are still for sale. This is how far I got in the part out. It's a lot of stuff. All the side panels, all the doors. As you can see, the rear has been torn to pieces. I'm gonna kind of show you guys what I've been doing. So all the rear door panels is off. If you want me to make a video for that, I'll make a video showing you guys how to remove the rear door panels. Trunk latch in the middle. This is all the stuff that goes in the front. This is the other door panels. As you can see, the mint with the wood trim here. Okay. Then we also have, these are for back here. Covers go. I definitely removed the rear deck. I removed all the rear deck speakers. The subwoofer, they removed the subwoofer, so the subwoofer got rid of. The interior speakers did sell. Still have the airbags for sale. Seatbelt buckles. All of that stuff for sale. Don't want nothing to go to waste. The seats are for sale. As you can see, this is the headline. I'm going to be making a video real soon showing you guys how to do the headliner, but I'm still working. Even in this coronavirus thing, I'm still working, so I'm going to have to do this on a weekend and make a video for you guys. So that's coming soon. I know I said it was coming soon, but it's coming soon. Okay, this is the rear deck that's here and that I removed. Okay, this is one of the trims from the windows that I gotta take out. Now we have a cup holder here. I mean, the cubby, the wooden cubby with the climate controls, the seat warmers, I mean. Then we have sides. Here's the leather seats, the rear leather seats, which are in great condition. This is the bottom. They're in great condition. Then we have the seats here, the backs of the seats. They're in really nice condition. Also still have the OEM trunk wing. Acura logo on it, OEM. Then we have the center console, which is mint, which this is never mint condition like this. So if somebody wanted to do a full interior swap, they can definitely do it with all these interior pieces, because I have all the interior trim pieces for the inside. This is the glove box. It's in great condition also. So if you're looking for a glove box, you're looking for any pieces that, you know, the DVD-ROM drive is for sale. And all the other components that you need. It's all here still in the trunk. Okay. The rear bumper is for sale. It has the backup sensors on it. It does have holes in the rear bumper because it did have the A-Spec lip kit on it, but it was removed and sold. So then we have also the side skirts that were sold also. The aspect side skirts, the front bumper and the front lip. Okay, we still have transmissions out for sale too. Somebody already contacted me for that, so I'm going to be pulling that. As you can see, the low control arm is busted. Tire rod on is busted. All this stuff is busted. And the hub is still good though. And these rotors, they look alright. These rotors look good too. So if somebody interested in the rotors, let me know. Send me a price. The calipers are still good, so if somebody's looking to upgrade or get newer calipers, these are definitely newer because I know these are replaced. Dang, he just has like a lot of oil here and stuff like that. Like, this car's really in bad shape. Upper control arms, they look pretty good. They look alright. Let me see what else. Let me lift the hood. Pop the hood real quick. I've been real busy working on other cars and different things like that also. All of this is for sale, even this, the cluster, everything. This is all for sale. Everything. I don't want nothing to go to waste on this car. Even the reinforcement frame in the front is for sale. The motor seized up. The motor's no good. All the sensors are available on the motor. Basically, even the spark plugs are really good. Like, the spark plugs look like they've been changed recent. So if you're looking for a decent pair of spark plugs that are okay, let me know. I'll ship them to you. It's nothing. Like I said, started dismantling everything. Took out most of the stuff in the front, the alternator, AC compressor, everything that's all out. That was sold already. The engine mounts are still here. It's in okay condition. This one is still in good condition. I'm going to be removing this, the ABS module. I'm going to be making a video for that. Also, the motor has seized up on this one, so that's why the motor's no good. I think the catalytic converter in the front is still good. I'm going to unbolt this. I'm going to make a video for that. Someone hit me up and asked me, where is the knock sensor? Okay, so I already took all this apart already, so I'm just going to show you guys. I'm just going to pull everything and then show you guys exactly where it is. So throttle body's already unplugged. I already unplugged all that. The intake manifold's already unbolted. Basically, I took out all the bolts for the top here. Okay, then all the bolts that are in the inside here, I removed all of those. Removed all the connectors on the side, all the hoses here on the side. Unbolted the purge valve and the connectors here. Removed the throttle body. Now I'm going to disconnect the connector here, so nothing will be connected to the throttle body. I mean, the intake manifolds. The intake manifolds should just come right off. So give me a second. Let me just lift this off and I'm going to catch back the video for you guys. All right, so I lifted off the intake manifold, so now it's up and off. Put it to the side, the intake manifolds. So now you have the valve covers here, which is one valve cover here and one valve cover here in the rear. And then we have the fuel injectors, which are right here, 3 here, and 3 here, fuel injectors, which I have removed, but I will be making a video showing how to remove the fuel injectors for this car. Yeah, we'll be making a video for that coming soon. So that's another one. Stay tuned. The knock sensor, once you remove the fuel rail, which is right here with the fuel injectors in it, there's going to be 2 8mm bolts, one here and one here. You just loosen those 2 bolts, and then when you lift this to the side, the fuel rail, then the knock sensor is down here. It's a real pain to get to, but what I use is a 24mm socket with a swivel head, and it does the job. It gets the job done. And the connector's right here to the knock sensor. What usually happens is that this wire here, and what happens is that wire there usually gets chewed by animals or usually breaks off or burns off or whatever, and that's what throws the knock sensor code. But I've changed a couple of these, but I will be making a video showing you guys how to change one on this one, how I do it. Definitely. So this is what I've been up to, tearing this motor apart and doing other people's cars and stuff like that. Just wanted to keep you guys an update because I haven't been uploading like that or whatever. So I just wanted to let you guys know why I wasn't uploading. But If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys need anything, just let me know. Okay? All right. Peace out. Thanks.